Hi and welcome to the Coffee Direct Kitchen. I'm Sammy and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Tia Maria coffee. Tia Maria is a popular sweet liqueur with a strong coffee character, so perfect for the coffee kitchen. Today we're going to be using the Monsoon Malabar Coffee Direct blend. You can find this on our website over at coffeedirect.co.uk. It's one of our most popular origin coffees with 5-star reviews on our website. Okay, so for this recipe you will need 30 ml of Tia Maria, 50 ml of single cream, some chocolate shavings for the top, 2 tablespoons of ground coffee, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and optionally you can have some whipped cream for the topping. And you will also need essentially 125 ml of boiling water. You wouldn't get very far without that one. You'll also need a cafetiere. I'm using a single person cafetiere today, but if you're making this for 2 or more, just adjust accordingly. And you will need your empty heat-proof glass or mug. Okay, so to start you off, we are going to empty the coffee grounds into our cafetiere. So that's 2 tablespoons. And then add your 125 ml of boiling water. Replace the lid and leave to one side for 4 minutes. In the meantime, you need to put your heat-proof glass or mug in the microwave for 30 seconds. So once your mug or heat-proof glass has been heated, you should just feel warm to touch. You need to add your 30 ml of Tia Maria, and your teaspoon of brown sugar. The brown sugar is quite an important ingredient because it's what makes the cream float at the end. You can choose to not include the sugar if you don't have a sweet tooth, but just be aware that the presentation might not look quite the same. Mix the Tia Maria and the sugar together. And then after 4 minutes, your coffee should be ready. Push the plunger down. And add the coffee to your mug. Mix all together. And then the next part's a little bit complicated. So take a dessert spoon, teaspoon, anything that fits well with the mug you're using, place it over the top with the face upwards, rest it so it should be just above the liquid, and then you're going to want to take your single cream and pour it ever so gently and slowly over the middle of the spoon. So it should spill out over to the edge very slowly. Don't rush this part of the process. I'm keeping my fingers crossed it works as we're recording. This is where adding the brown sugar and heating the glass can make a big difference to how the finished drink looks. Okay, so when you're happy with that, take the spoon away. And this is where you can choose to add the whipping cream on top as an extra. If you prefer to keep it a little bit more simple, just stick with the single cream. I'm going to be indulgent and add a bit of whipping cream. And it should just easily float on the top there because it's already been whipped. Again, don't be too heavy-handed with this because otherwise you might force it down into the glass. Okay. So now I'm going to add some chocolate sprinkles over the top, but if you prefer to use nutmeg, some ginger extract, whatever it is that tickles your fancy, feel free to mix it up and give it a go. And there you have your finished Tia Maria coffee. I hope you enjoy. Give it a go at home. Let us know what you think. And also let us know if there's any other recipes you'd like to see from the Coffee Direct Kitchen. Thanks so much. Bye.